Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Are you curious about the deeper meanings and significance behind numbers in your life? In this video, we will dive into the world of master numbers and angel numbers, uncovering the powerful messages they hold for your personal growth and spiritual development. Join me as we explore the unique characteristics and differences of these special numbers and discover how they can guide you on your journey towards self-discovery and manifestation. So, come along and let's unlock the secrets of the universe together. I actually received that question from one of you guys. Turge, thanks for being part of this community and asking those questions. If you are interested in numerology, self-discovery, and manifestation, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any further questions or are willing to share your thoughts, feel free to comment below. In numerology, master numbers are considered to be highly spiritual and powerful. They are typically double-digit numbers that repeat the same digits, such as 11, 22, and 33. All other double-digit numbers like 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99 are called power numbers. These numbers are believed to hold a deeper and more intense energy than single-digit numbers. Master numbers are thought to have a special significance in numerology and are often associated with spiritual awakening and enlightenment. They are believed to indicate a strong connection to the spiritual realm and a heightened level of spiritual awareness. Master numbers are different from other numbers in that they are not reduced to a single digit. For example, the number 11 is considered a master number, while the number 2 is not. Similarly, the number 22 is a master number, while the number 4 is not. This is because the energy of a master number is considered to be different and more intense than that of a single-digit number. Additionally, master numbers are often thought to carry a sense of destiny and purpose. They are often associated with leadership, personal power, and the ability to manifest one's goals and desires. They are considered to be more complex and challenging than other numbers, but they also offer more potential for growth and spiritual development. Here are a few examples of how the master numbers 11, 22, and 33 can show up in numerology and how they might be interpreted. 11. The number 11 is often associated with spiritual awakening and enlightenment. It is considered to be a master number of intuition and inner wisdom. People with this number may have a strong sense of their own inner guidance and a heightened ability to receive messages from the spiritual realm. They are often highly intuitive, creative, and visionary. They also have a strong sense of purpose and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. 22. The number 22 is often associated with manifesting one's goals and desires. It is considered a master number of manifestation and practicality. People with this number may be highly ambitious and driven, with the ability to turn their ideas into reality. They have a great ability to lead and inspire others and are often able to turn their ideas into action. They are often natural builders, managers, and leaders and may have the potential to achieve great things. 33. The number 33 is often associated with spiritual leadership and guidance. It is considered a master number of compassion and selflessness. People with this number are often highly spiritual and may have a strong desire to help and serve others. They are often natural healers and teachers and have a deep understanding of the human experience. They have a strong sense of responsibility and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. They are often spiritual leaders and inspire others to reach their highest potential. It's important to note that these are general interpretations and the influence of master numbers in an individual's life may vary depending on the numerology chart, the other numbers, and their position in it. In numerology, master numbers are believed to hold a deeper and more intense energy than single-digit numbers. They are thought to indicate a strong connection to the spiritual realm and a heightened level of spiritual awareness. They are considered to be more complex and challenging than other numbers, but they also offer more potential for growth and spiritual development. Master numbers are often associated with specific characteristics and traits that are believed to be amplified by the energy of the number. For example, the number 11 is often associated with intuition, inner wisdom, and spiritual awakening, while the number 22 is often associated with manifesting one's goals and desires, and the number 33 is often associated with spiritual leadership and guidance. Additionally, master numbers are believed to carry a sense of destiny and purpose. They are often associated with leadership, personal power, and the ability to manifest one's goals and desires. They are considered to be more complex and challenging than other numbers, but they also offer more potential for growth and spiritual development. It's also important to note that, while master numbers are associated with certain characteristics and energies, they do not determine a person's fate or destiny. The numbers in an individual's numerology chart can provide insights and guidance, but ultimately, It is up to the individual to use that information to make choices and take actions that align with their goals and desires. Angel numbers are a form of divination in which people believe that certain number sequences are messages from angels or other spiritual guides. The belief is that these numbers are a way for the angels to communicate with us and convey important messages or guidance. Angel numbers are typically seen as a sequence of the same digits, such as 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, and 999. They are believed to be signs or messages from the angels, and the specific number sequence is thought to hold a specific meaning or message. For example, seeing the number sequence 111 may be interpreted as a message of spiritual awakening or alignment with one's higher purpose, while seeing 222 may be interpreted as a message of manifesting one's desires or being on the right path. Angel numbers are different from master numbers in that they are not based on numerology, but rather on the belief that certain number sequences are messages from the angels. While master numbers are associated with certain characteristics and energies in numerology, angel numbers are associated with specific messages and guidance. Additionally, master numbers are often thought to carry a sense of destiny and purpose, while angel numbers are thought to be messages of guidance and encouragement. In spiritual and religious beliefs, angel numbers are seen as a way for angels or other spiritual guides to communicate with us and convey important messages or guidance. The belief is that these numbers are a sign that the angels are watching over us and helping us to navigate our lives. Different religious traditions and spiritual practices have different interpretations of the meanings of specific angel numbers. For example, in Christianity, the number 777 is seen as a symbol of God's presence and perfection. In numerology, the number 111 is often associated with spiritual awakening and alignment with one's higher purpose. The belief in angel numbers is not limited to a specific religion or spiritual tradition and can be found in many different cultures and belief systems. Some people use angel numbers as a form of divination, interpreting the number sequences as messages from the angels and seeking guidance for their lives. It's important to note that, while many people believe in the significance of angel numbers, there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that these number sequences hold any special meaning or are messages from angels. However, for some people, the belief in angel numbers can be a source of comfort and inspiration. They can help them feel connected to something greater than themselves and may provide a sense of guidance and direction in difficult times. Additionally, some people may use the messages from angel numbers as a way to deepen their spiritual practice and connect with their higher self. Master numbers and angel numbers are two different concepts in numerology and spiritual beliefs. Master numbers are specific numbers, such as 11, 22, and 33, that are believed to hold a deeper and more intense energy than single-digit numbers in numerology. They are thought to indicate a strong connection to the spiritual realm and a heightened level of spiritual awareness. They are associated with specific characteristics and traits and are believed to carry a sense of destiny and purpose. Angel numbers, on the other hand, are a form of divination in which people believe that certain number sequences, such as 111, 222, 333, etc., are messages from angels or other spiritual guides. They are believed to be signs or messages from the angels, and the specific number sequence is thought to hold a specific meaning or message. They are not based on numerology, but rather on the belief that certain number sequences are messages from the angels. They are associated with specific messages and guidance and are not related to destiny or purpose. In summary, master numbers are a concept in numerology that focus on the energy and characteristics of specific numbers, while angel numbers are a belief in spiritual and religious traditions that specific number sequences are messages from angels or other spiritual guides. Master numbers and angel numbers can be used together as tools for personal growth and spiritual development in different ways. One way is to use master numbers as a way to understand one's own strengths and weaknesses and to work on developing one's potential. For example, if a person resonates with the energy of the number 11, they may use the understanding to work on developing their intuition and spiritual awareness. Similarly, if a person resonates with the energy of the number 22, they may use the understanding to work on developing their leadership and organizational skills. On the other hand, angel numbers can be used as a way to receive guidance and messages from the spiritual realm. For example, if a person sees the number 111 repeatedly, they may interpret that as a message of spiritual awakening or alignment with one's higher purpose. Both master numbers and angel numbers can also be used together to gain a deeper understanding of oneself and one's place in the world. By understanding one's own strengths and weaknesses and receiving guidance and messages from the spiritual realm, a person can work on developing themselves and aligning their actions with their purpose. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploring the differences between master numbers and angel numbers. I hope you found the information useful and that it has sparked your curiosity to learn more about how these concepts can impact your life. Remember, numerology and spiritual beliefs are tools that can help us understand ourselves and the world around us. But it's important to remember that it's up to us to take action and make the necessary changes in our lives. If you're interested in learning more about master numbers and angel numbers and how they can be used for personal growth and spiritual development, be sure to tune in for the next video. I'll be sharing more insights and practical tips on how you can use these concepts in your everyday life. And as always, be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.